So this is the aftermath of the storm last night. That tree right there is missing its top, and the wind was blowing this way, and oh, there it is. Just missed Chris and Jacqueline's car, but really didn't miss it too much because it hit it. Oh, there's the other part of the tree. So that looks like the most of the damage is on that door. That's hitting pretty hard, and so that door will need replaced. And I think for the most part it missed everything but the door. Oh wait, that's not the door, it's the, oh wait, that's the main channel of the car. I don't know, that's worse. Alright, so that's worse. And it came over, and so it was a tree. It looks like it was a tree that the top had been blown off before. It pretty much kettled the top of our dumpster. But it's one of those trees where the top had been blown off before, and so it was it grew up, the branches grew up as the top, and then the two branches that were the top, they are what got blown off. So bummer. All right.